When was the last time you seriously think that women had fun with you on a date? The answer is none, right? Well, this is only because of that one mistake that all nice guys do. And the real sad part is, they don't even really know they are doing it. Although most of the guys finally make it to a date with women, they make these nice guys mistakes while having a conversation, and completely ruin the opportunity they have been dreaming of. In order to spark fun and attract women, a first date is the best opportunity that you've got. It's going to happen only because of a good flirtatious conversation. Yes, flirting at the right moment with the right person is gonna work like wonders. But, do remember flirting also has got its limits. Well, let me tell you how's it done. So these are the conversation tactics that spark attraction for you in women. Number 1. A good handshake. Even before starting a conversation, we do generally introduce ourselves with a good handshake. This has to be done even before dating. The first time you both meet, you should establish a sense of idea in her mind that you are a guy who is comfortable being touchy with women. Let me tell you how to do it. Don't let her hands off until she is the one to shake it off first. It might seem rude to others, but in reality, she is going to make up in her mind of you as a totally comfortable person with touching women, making you look much more confident. You're indeed. It might look creepy if you try to hold her hand even if she tries to shake it off. Just a little bit is enough. Number 2. Leading the conversation. It's not like only women feel bored in a conversation. Even men get bored when in a boring conversation on a date. If she just asks you about your studies, your hobbies, or such casual question you're really bored of, then you are the one who is totally in charge of flipping the conversation around. You should be the first to bring up sexuality and flirtation into the conversation, which makes the conversation more interesting. If you are just going to stick on to random interview questions, like how's your schooling, then it's a waste of an hour, and you both get to know nothing about each other. This is how to flip a boring conversation. When she is continuously asking interview questions, just say, "We can have these questions answered later, but let me know about your story." And just steer the conversation and make it exciting. Even more interesting is an emotional level of information exchange, which is another good conversation hack, and women connect with men very soon when ignited her emotional side. Yes, I know I've spoken a lot about emotional conversation advantages in my previous videos, but, it's a really important part. Number 3. Establish flirtation. Let me get it straight to you. If you are not able to make her feel comfortable with flirting in the first 50 minutes, then how can you do it in the last 10 minutes before leaving? Let me make it clear to you. The first 50 minutes you have been discussing all those sorts of interview questions. Then how come in the last 10 minutes could you start flirting with her? Flirting in the sense make it cool and funny in a way, like, just by saying, "I just can't concentrate while you are smiling." Make it something about her but not her completely. Or like, "I am drawn to your perfume, it's just awesome." Or, tell her that you like the way she dresses. The thing is to make her feel special, without making her the main center of that compliment. Make it a thing about her personality more, rather than her physical feature. That's a good one. Yeah, I know. And that's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.